Our planet is home to an incredible array of species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Yet, many of these creatures are on the brink of extinction, their existence threatened by human activities. Biodiversity is essential for the health of our ecosystems, and losing even one species can have ripple effects far beyond our imagination. Today, we'll take a closer look at the top 10 most endangered animals, and what you can do to help protect them. This countdown will take you on a journey through the animal kingdom's rarest and most threatened creatures. Join us as we shine a light on the urgent need to protect these extraordinary animals. If you're passionate about saving endangered animals, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay updated with more fascinating wildlife facts and ways you can help make a difference. Our journey begins deep within the dense rainforests of Java, Indonesia, home to the critically endangered Javan Rhino. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, this magnificent animal now clings to survival in a tiny fragment of its former range. The Javan Rhino, smaller than its African cousins, cuts a solitary figure, its armor-like hide a testament to a bygone era. Fewer than 70 Javan rhinos remain in the wild, their existence threatened by habitat loss, human encroachment and poaching. These shy creatures are rarely seen, their presence often betrayed only by footprints and glimpses through the foliage. Conservationists work tirelessly to protect the remaining Javan rhinos, establishing protected areas and combating poaching. Every calf born is a victory, a testament to the resilience of this ancient species. The Javan rhino stands as a poignant symbol of the fragility of life, a reminder that even the most magnificent creatures can vanish from our planet. Our journey takes us to the warm waters of the Gulf of California, home to the critically endangered Vaquita. This small porpoise, with its distinctive dark rings around its eyes, is teetering on the brink of extinction. Entangled in gill nets, these gentle creatures are victims of bycatch, with fewer than 10 believed to remain. Despite immense challenges, a glimmer of hope persists. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to save the Vaquita. Efforts to develop alternative fishing gear offer hope, underscoring the need for sustainable fishing practices and protection of marine life. Our journey now takes us high into the cloud forests of Central Africa, where we encounter the magnificent mountain gorilla. These gentle giants, with their expressive eyes and close-knit family groups, are a testament to the enduring power of nature. Once on the brink of extinction, the mountain gorilla has witnessed a remarkable resurgence in recent years, thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists, local communities, and governments. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration programs, and responsible tourism initiatives have all played a vital role in their recovery. Yet, challenges remain. Disease, habitat fragmentation, and political instability continue to threaten their long-term survival. As we observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat, we are reminded of the importance of protecting not just individual species, but the entire ecosystems they call home. We venture now into the heart of Asia, where the tiger, a symbol of strength and beauty, once roamed freely. Today, the roar of this magnificent creature is fading, its very existence threatened by human activities. From the Siberian taiga to the jungles of Southeast Asia, tiger populations have plummeted over the past century, victims of habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Yet, amidst the challenges, glimmers of hope emerge. Dedicated conservation organizations, governments, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect remaining tiger populations and their dwindling habitats. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat corridors, and community-based conservation programs offer a lifeline for this iconic species. As we strive to protect the tiger, we are not just saving a single species, but safeguarding entire ecosystems and the countless other species that depend on them. Our journey takes us now to the grasslands and forests of Asia, where we encounter the Asian elephant, a symbol of wisdom, strength, and intelligence. These majestic creatures, revered in many cultures, are facing an uncertain future. The Asian elephant, smaller than its African cousin, plays a vital role in its ecosystem, dispersing seeds, creating clearings in forests, and shaping the landscape. Yet, their very existence is threatened by habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and the illegal ivory trade. As human populations grow and expand into elephant territory, competition for space and resources intensifies. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Conservation organizations are working with local communities to mitigate human-elephant conflict, establish elephant corridors, and raise awareness about the plight of these gentle giants. The Asian elephant's fate is intertwined with our own, and their survival depends on our ability to coexist peacefully and protect their dwindling habitats. Our journey now takes us deep into the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, where we encounter the orangutan, a creature of remarkable intelligence and grace. These arboreal apes, with their long arms, reddish-brown fur, and expressive eyes, are facing an uncertain future. Orangutans, meaning person of the forest in Malay, are perfectly adapted to life in the trees. However, their rainforest home is vanishing at an alarming rate, cleared for palm oil plantations, timber, and agriculture. This habitat loss, coupled with the illegal pet trade, has pushed orangutan populations to the brink. Conservation efforts are underway to protect remaining orangutan populations and their habitat. These include establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable palm oil production, and combating the illegal pet trade. The orangutan story is a reminder that the fate of these magnificent creatures is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. Our journey now takes us to the vast expanse of the ocean, where we encounter the leatherback turtle, a creature that has navigated the world's oceans for over 100 million years. These ancient mariners, the largest of all living turtles, are facing an uncertain future. Leatherback turtles are true nomads, crossing entire oceans to reach their nesting beaches. They play a vital role in marine ecosystems, controlling jellyfish populations, and maintaining the health of coral reefs. However, these magnificent creatures are facing a multitude of threats. Entanglement in fishing gear, habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution are all taking a toll on their populations. Despite the challenges, there is hope. International conservation efforts are underway to protect leatherback turtles and their critical habitats. These include establishing protected areas, reducing bycatch in fisheries, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Our journey takes us now to the high peaks of the Himalayas, where we encounter the elusive snow leopard, a creature of breathtaking beauty and resilience. These ghosts of the mountains, as they are often called, are facing an uncertain future. Snow leopards are perfectly adapted to their harsh environment. However, their high-altitude home is changing rapidly. Climate change is melting glaciers, altering water sources, and shifting vegetation patterns, impacting both the snow leopard and its prey. Human activities also pose a significant threat. Habitat loss due to overgrazing, infrastructure development, and mining encroaches on their territory. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Conservation organizations are working with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflict, promote sustainable livelihoods, and combat poaching. Our journey takes us now to the far reaches of the Russian Far East, where we encounter the Amur leopard, one of the rarest cats on Earth. This critically endangered species, once on the brink of extinction, offers a glimmer of hope, a testament to the power of conservation. The Amur leopard, with its thick spotted coat and piercing blue eyes, is a master of camouflage in its snowy habitat. Once widespread throughout the Russian Far East and parts of China and Korea, the Amur leopard's population plummeted in the 20th century, decimated by habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. However, in recent decades, concerted conservation efforts have brought the Amur leopard back from the brink. As a result of these efforts, the Amur leopard population has stabilized and even shown signs of increase. The Amur leopard's recovery is a testament to the power of collaboration, innovation, and unwavering commitment to conservation. Our journey culminates in the rainforests of Sumatra, where we encounter the Sumatran rhino, the smallest and most ancient of all living rhinoceros species. This critically endangered creature, with its 2 horns and reddish-brown hair, faces an uncertain future, its fate intertwined with our own. The Sumatran rhino, once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, now clings to survival in fragmented populations on the Indonesian islands of Sumatra and Borneo. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation for palm oil plantations, timber, and agriculture, has decimated their numbers. Poaching for their horns, highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine, poses another grave threat. Conservation efforts are underway to protect remaining Sumatran rhino populations and their habitat. These include establishing protected areas, combating poaching, and promoting sustainable land use practices. The Sumatran rhino's story is a call to action, a reminder that we all have a role to play in protecting our planet's biodiversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey, for looking into the eyes of these endangered animals and acknowledging their plight. It's a sobering reality, the fragility of their existence, yet within that reality lies hope. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more content on wildlife and conservation. Share this video, spread awareness, and let's ignite a global movement for change. The future of these animals, the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems, rests in our hands.